Okay, here we are out doing a little target shooting this morning, getting ready to do some coyote hunting. Here's the first 3 shots from 100 yards. This one here is the first cold bore shot, and then 2 right behind it, right here. And then went back to the 100-yard bench again, put 3 more rounds in. You got 1 round here and 2 rounds right here. I would say that's looking pretty good for coyote hunting. Turn this around, you can see the shooting range we got here behind the house. All the way down there you can see my truck. And nice and calm out this morning. A little chilly, but hey, great morning for coming out and shooting. Again, here's the targets again. You got 3 rounds there, 1 on the left, 2 on the right. Kind of hard to see, it's a little dark there, but we've got 3 shots there from the 100-yard bench.